What's going on? So on this video is going to be a really quick tutorial on how to save files to print. All right, so we're going to try to get through this as quick as possible and as painless as possible. All right, so when you are ready with your file, in this case, I have a label right here. You're going to save it. So you have a Illustrator file, you save it. So now it's saved and I have an Illustrator version of the file that I need. Then you're going to hit save as, and you're going to see me use shortcuts through this, and I'll call out my shortcuts. That shortcut for save as is Shift Command S. And I'm going to save the same file as a PDF. Boom. So what I have now is same version in the PDF format of the same thing. All of this is fine. You're going to get to this window. Some people like to change the stuff. I honestly just leave the Illustrator default. I have never had any issues by doing just that. Then you go to marks and bleeds, and you're going to check trim marks. All right. Some of this stuff, some people will ask you for it. I've never been asked for this. So trim marks is what I typically get asked for. You save your PDF. So what happened? You saved the same file with the fonts and everything with trim marks. So basically it gave it a little mark here so that the printer knows where to cut the paper. So then you're going to select everything. You hit Command A for this, or you can do it in many different ways. Like there's no other way really. I just hit Command A, select everything in my document, and then you're going to hit Shift Command O, and that's going to turn your fonts into outlines. And you can do that here on Type, and then create outlines. There's no more fonts in this document. Let me go back one time so you can see how it works. Type, create outlines. Shift Command O. I don't use this menu really a whole lot because it's just too slow. So what happened now is that this is no longer a font. I cannot edit it. This file just kind of is good for the printer, because what happens is, like, if the printer doesn't have any of these fonts, they will see the same thing that I'm seeing. If a different computer, like the printer's computer, doesn't have this font, it will default to a different one, meaning that the label is going to look completely different. So you want to give the printer a file that doesn't have any fonts. So that's why we selected everything and converted everything to shapes. And then you're going to save that again. All right, I just hit Command S. And now what you should end with is two files. You end with your Illustrator file, and then you end with a PDF file of the same thing, basically, that has the trim marks. And if you were to open it, you will see that it doesn't have fonts. And that's pretty much that. And so what happens is that if you need to edit this file, you don't edit your PDF. Your PDF is ready to print. You edit your Illustrator file. So you would open your Illustrator file, you make the edit, and you go through the same cycle all over again. That's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. Peace.